Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the DST on, off or auto when it comes to the Casio Square that features the module 3495. So this is going to work for the GWM5610 or also the GW5000 and the GWS5600. So what you want to do is to press and hold the adjust button for around 3 seconds. You are going to hear a small beep. The first thing that we can set is the home city, so the hometown. I'm going to press the mode button once in order to arrive at the next option. Here we have the DST, so the daylight savings time. This refers to winter time or summertime. If you are within easy reach of the atomic towers, you can leave it to auto. If you want to change it, we are going to use the button on the right side, so the button pusher on the right side. As you can see, now I have it on off, now I have it on, and now if I press it one more time, I have it on auto. So I'm going to leave it just like that. In case you want to end the process, we are going to press the adjust button once again. If you want to toggle through the other options, you can press the mode button and you can set the time, the date, the ketone, the 24-hour display, the date display, the language for the day of the week. So in case you want to learn all about those features, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to the full guide of this module, so make sure to check it out. You'll also learn how to use the world time function, the alarm, the chrono, so make sure to check it out, link in the description box below. So once again guys, I'm going to press the adjust button in order to end the process, and my DST is now set to auto. If you enjoyed this tutorial guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment and subscribe to this YouTube channel. It really helps the channel grow. Once again, link in the description box below to the full guide. And if you want to buy a vintage watch, make sure to go to vintageradar.com, link in the description box below, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Thank you guys, subscribe, and I'm going to see you on the next video.